Hey YouTubers, good morning, Rob Moffat. Guys, just a quick video. I've been thinking about my firearms, how quickly I can get to them. It's my idea or my assumption a lot of people who purchase guns, they put them away after going to the range a few times and then they never look at them again. And they sit in the nightstand or a safe or someplace. If they had to get to them, how long would it take for them to actually get to them? I've known people who had semi-automatics, and when we looked at them, their ammo was green. They hadn't been moved in 5 years. How many seconds does it take for me to get to my gun, take the safety off, get into a defensive position? Well, unless you have Kato with you, you're the green, you're Inspector Clouseau, someone attacking you at random moments. I don't know how you could like have a real life drill, but I was thinking, I live in an apartment with 24 other units. It's over 55, and the fire alarm is going off all the time because when the smoke alarm goes off in one apartment, they all go off. So randomly throughout the year, 5, 6, 10 times a year, the smoke alarm will go off. So I decided when the smoke alarm goes off, I'm going to see how many seconds it takes me to get to my gun, my firearm, and take safety off and get it in the position. So this is what happened. By the way, they have apps you can put on your phone that will randomly go off alarms. You could also use, or you could maybe use some other event that happens randomly, but not too often where you live, to where you would tell yourself it's a real life drill, access your firearm and get in your position you've determined to be in when something happens. So I'm not saying anything's going to happen or ever will happen, but you purchase it for home defense just in case something does. And if it happens, it's not going to come, they're not going to send you a letter in the mail at 2 o'clock on Tuesday. They're going to be coming or something's going to happen. So you want something random to happen. And for me, it was a smoke alarm. So for you, it could be when a helicopter flies over. Maybe it happens twice a year. I don't know. Whatever works for you. Get an alarm for your phone or even for your computer that goes off randomly. But this is how many seconds it took me. Hope this was something helpful to you. And I put on new videos every week. Been doing it for 14 years. Got close to 1,000 videos, and can't help myself. Keep doing them every week. You guys stop back and watch more next week. Take care. See you out there. By the way, it was 8 seconds